Hi friends, I hope you're all doing well. So I know that yesterday we talked about counting backwards. So did it mean counting like this? No, it meant that you started at 5 and you counted down to 1. So this is another story called Five Little Ducks that is going to help us count down from 5 to 1, okay? So here we go. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. So they're 5 little ducks and they went out one day. We can kind of see them on the cover. Look at their pretty colors. We have a pink one. What color is that one? Red. What color is that one? Blue. What color is that one? Yellow. And what color is that one? Like a green color. So we have 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the mama duck. 5 ducks. They all went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, can you quack? Quack, quack, quack." But only 4 little ducks came back. So there were 5. Remember, we started with 5. But only 4 came back. So 1 must have went away. 5, 4 came back. Let's count those 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There were 5 and now there are 4. So 1 must have left. All right. 4 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. It almost looks like they're playing in mud. What color is that mud? Like a brown color. So there are our, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4 little baby ducks and our 1 mama duck. So our 4 baby ducks and our 1 mama duck. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack. Can you quack? Quack, quack, quack." But only 3 little ducks came back. So there were 4, but only 3 came back. 4, 3 came back. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, where did the other one go? All right, there are our 3 ducks playing. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Look at them, they're having so much fun. It looks like they're in some grass. Oh, they look like they're having a great time. Mother duck said, "Can you do it with me? Quack, quack, quack." But only 2 little ducks came back. So we had 3 little ducks outside playing, but how many came back? 2. So we had 3 little ducks outside playing, but how many came back? 2. So only 2 came back. There were 3, and now only 2 came back. 1, 2. So 2 little ducks, they're the 2, 1, 2, went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said, "Quack, quack, quack," but only, so there were 2, but how many do you think came back? 1. There were 2, but 1 went away, so now there only 1 came back. Show me 1 finger. Good job. So there's our 1 duck. 1 little duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Look at Mama Duck. She looks really sad. And there's that 1 little duck playing. Aw, poor Mama Duck. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But there was 1 duck. Did any of them come back? Do you see any on this page? No. So 1 disappeared, and now there, how many are there? 0. So 1 went out, but it didn't come back, and now there are 0. Mother Duck is very sad. Look at her. Poor Mama Duck. What season do you think this might be? The leaves are changing color. They're falling from the tree. Fall. What about this season? It gets cold. It might be Christmas time. It might snow. Winter time. And then this season might be spring because of all the pretty flowers growing. Sad Mother Duck went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." And all of the 5 ducks came back. Look at all those ducks. So they all came back, and it looks like they brought families of their own. That is so awesome. So all 5 came back. So sweet. All right. And there they are with all their families. That is so awesome. All right. So this is about counting backwards too, because remember we started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks. And every time Mother Duck called them back, 1 duck had disappeared. So we started with 5, then there were 4, then there were 3, then there were 2, and then there was 1, and then what happened? There was 0. We started with 5, then there were 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So that story helped us count backwards, but Mama Duck was very happy because in the end, all her little babies came back. So yay, Mama Duck. Let's count her babies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I guess they're not babies anymore because they all have families of their own and they're mommies and daddies now. That is really cool. So can you count backwards for me? All right, let's start with 5 and go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. We can say blast off at the end if you would like. So let's do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We can blast off. There we go. So that's how we count backwards. We start at 5 and we go all the way down to the number 1 or the number 0 and blast off. So that is our story today. Thank you so much for listening. Kiss your brains for counting backwards, and Miss Klein is going to leave on the count starting from 5 going to 0, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Bye, friends.